Hello everyone, my name is Anggis Manu. In this video, I will discuss international trade and investment. In the ever-evolving landscape of the global economic, international trade and investment play a pivotal role in shaping the prosperity, competitiveness, and interconnectedness of nation and corporation alike. These two fundamental pillars of global economic activity are not only mechanisms for the exchange of goods, services, and capital across border, but also vital driver of innovation, economic development, and geopolitical influence. International trade refer to the exchange of goods and services between countries. It is driven by the principle of comparative advantage, which suggests the country should specialize in production goods and services in which they are relative more efficient, and then trade with others to obtain the rest. This principle form the theoretical backbone of free trade and has led to the creation of intricate global supply chain and a complex web of trade relationships. Trade liberalization facilitated through agreements such as the General Agreement on Tariff and Trade Gate, and its successor, the World Trade Organization (WTO), has drastically reduced tariff and other barriers to trade. In parallel, regional trade agreements like the European Union, the North American Free Trade Agreement, and the ASEAN Free Trade Area have forged unchanged trade integration among member countries. This agreement foster market access, harmony standard, and create large economic bloc that attractive investment. However, international trade is not without its controversy and complexity. Trade imbalance, currency manipulation, dumping, and protectionist policy can trigger tension among trade partners. While globalization has left millions out of poverty, it has also led to job displacement in certain sectors, wage stagnation, and growth inequality, prompting call for fair and more inclusive trade policy. The recent rise of economic nationalism and trade war notability between major powers has censored the fragile nature of international trade relations and the critical need for cooperative framework. Parallel to trade in the phenomenon of international investment, which primarily take the form of foreign direct investment or FDI and portfolio investment. FDI involves a long-term interest and significant degree of control by an investor in foreign enterprise. This may include establishing new operations, acquiring existing business, or entering joint venture. In context, portfolio investment refers to the purchase of stock, bonds, or other financial assets in foreign market without direct managerial control. FDI is a powerful tool for economic development for host country. It brings not only capital but also technology transfer, managerial expertise, infrastructure, infrastructure development, and job creation. It can accelerate in the industrial growth, diversity economy, and enhance productivity for investing country and firm. FDI represents of opportunity to access new market, secure records, and reduce costs by leveraging difference in labor costs, taxation, and regulation. However, international investment is also influenced by a myriad of factors including political sustainability, regulation in environment, market size, labor availability, and economic policy. Country context to attract FDI through in creative source as tax holiday, investment subsidy, and deregulation. Yet the incentive must be careful, managing to avoid and raise to the bottom where countries undermine their own standard and revenue base in pursuit of capital. An essential consideration in international investment is risk management. Investor must negative a spectrum of risk, ranging from exchange rate volatility and to change in trade policy and political upheaval. This has led to the rise of bilateral investment treaties, investment arbitration mechanisms, and global governance structure such as the World Bank, International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes, all aimed at protecting investor right will balance the sovereign right of host nation. Moreover, multinational corporating or MNCs are central actors in both international trade and investment. They concentrate cross-border flow of capital, knowledge, and goods, leveraging their global presence to optimize operational and increase competitiveness. However, their growth power also raises questions about accountability, tax avoidance, drug transfer pricing, and the impact on local economic and environments. In addition, digital globalization has transformed the nature of trade and investment. E-commerce, digital service, and the flow of data now represent a significant share of international economic activity. Countries are grappling with how to regulate digital trade, protect data privacy, and ensure cybersecurity while enabling innovation and cross-border digital integration. In conclusion, international trade and investment are cornerstone of the global economy, enabling the flow of goods, services, capital, and ideas across borders. While they offer an opportunity for growth and development, they also pose significant challenge that require sound governance, strategic foresight, and commitment. As the world become more interconnected and interdependent, the ability to navigate the complexity of global trade and investment will be essential for policy market, business leader, and global citizen alike. Thank you.